Welcome to Structorium. Let's talk about the flow. In manufacturing, not only materials move, information moves too. Material flow is the movement of parts and products through the production process. For example, raw material is cut, assembled, inspected, and transformed into a finished product. This flow is physical. You can see it moving through the factory. Information flow is different. It is the movement of instructions, schedules, production data, and machine signals. Information tells the process what to do, when to do it, and how to do it. A production system needs both flows working together. Information flow guides material flow. Instructions move first, materials follow. If information is delayed, incorrect, or missing, the material flow is affected. Errors appear, machines stop, products wait. Efficient manufacturing depends on both material flow and information flow. When instructions, data, and materials move correctly, production becomes stable and predictable.